Hi friends, I'm going to be showing you the quickest way to do box braids for short hair like this, especially knotless box braids. So this is the length of her hair. I just moisturize it with some sheer leave-in conditioner. So I'm sectioning out the part where we're going to have the box braids, and we're going to do half lemonade. And so yeah, that's what I'm sectioning out now. So this is how I'm parting it, as you can see. So the front is going to be like this, where we're going to do the lemonade, and then yeah, I'm going to part another section on top right in the front, so that way the cornrows or the feeding braid can come towards her face. So yeah, so this is how you section it. All right, so now let me just show you the technique, and yeah, just pay attention. So yeah, with the technique, you notice that I was splitting the braiding hair into her natural hair. I really think the braiding hair that you use is going to help the splitting part make it easier. So you need to use a really good quality braiding hair. I'm going to show you what I'm using in just a second. But basically the way I am parting her hair is towards the left side, as you can see, because she basically wants the lemonade braids to fall towards that direction on the left side. But yeah, as you see, she has like some really white flaky scalp. So yeah, her hair is not dirty, so it's not about cleanness. It's really just like, I feel like it's like a chemical imbalance on her scalp. So yeah, I think sometimes when you use some products that really doesn't work with your scalp, you can start to flake. And she eats healthy, so we're talking about like diet, but she really does eat healthy. So I think she had mentioned, because I had asked her if she used a different shampoo. So yeah, she said she changed the shampoo. So yeah, if you use a different product that your scalp doesn't like, your scalp can tend to flake. But this braiding hair is very soft, it's very easy and flowy, and the quality is amazing, and I've used this braiding hair multiple times. So yeah, I didn't have to feed in hair for this box braid, so it took a really shorter amount of time. So this is the hair we're using. It's from Outre. It's their pre-stretch braiding hair, and I've used this hair multiple times. The color I'm using is color 1B. It's their Ultra Braid 3X, so you get 3 amounts of hair in one pack, and this is how the hair looks like when you open it up. Honestly, the texture is very like soft, the fiber is very soft, and I feel like it feels like weave almost. That's how like the quality is really nice. So yeah, it's there 52 inches. So I'm going to leave the hair in the description, so you could use it to do your box braids, your feeding braids, all that. So yeah, I'm just going to finish up the rest of the box braids, so just enjoy how I do it, and then we're going to do the cornrows in the front. So after moosing it up, we're going to dip it in hot water. And yeah, you could dip this braiding hair in hot water. It takes hot water very well. You're going to see me doing it. So this is how I dip. I just distribute the hot water over the braids like this. So that way the heat can, like, you know, circulate around the braids. And yeah, I just start to sway it as best as I can. And yeah, the hair really takes hot water really well, so this is a great quality hair, so make sure you check it out. And after that, I just put a warm towel over her head to release any type of tension. And yeah, like, this hairstyle is really nice, and the technique we use for the box braids is really nice and fast. But this is the finished look. She looks so cute, and she was just feeling herself the entire time. So yeah, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, check out Outre hair. I will leave the link to this hair in the description. Like, the braiding hair is really good. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.